Okay, palabas si baby girl. Sheila! Okay. Oh, bakit ako po? Babalik dito. Pwede ba? Okay, contestant number 2. Model ng shampoo. Julie. Kakanta na yan. Okay. Yung Eme ang magpapakilala pag hindi nagsalita. Kaya susunod po si Ma'am Cathy, papakilala rin sino mamaya. Okay, ang SA from STG Naga, Julie.
Alegría Macarena, que tu cuerpo para darle alegría y cosas buenas, dale a tu cuerpo alegría.
Our third contestant. Go, magpakilala ka na.
Alegría Macarena.
26.
Wow!
Macarena. Hey, the chopper on a nigga turn to a sprinter.
Okay, next. Our fourth contestant.
Ay, nanalo na.
Ma'am!
Good evening, marketing.
Wow!
My name is Cristelia Day, 27, all the way from Tuwi, Batangas. Di man kagandahan sa inyong paningin, di man kaseksihan sa inyong paningin, subukan yung mahalin. Kaya kayo'y pakikinigin. Our next contestant.
Loco Liberty, 30 years old.
Unavailable. Expired na daw? Hindi pa. Walang na-expire. Okay, next.
Hi, my name is Jessie. I'm 34 years old from Parañaque City.
She acts just not a bitch getting out of it. Thinking I'm in this bitch for my click. Why? I'ma throw 20 racks on that bitch. Why? It's free for the might not. One on my back.
So, ibahin nyo na. Diba? Good evening, everyone. My name is Joanna Marie Gorango, representing marketing manager for Abon. Kailangan may brand. I believe. At naniniwala po ako.
Wala pa!
Na kayong gabi. Kukuta ako. Ayun, yung code ko, napakasimple, love is blind.
Sana all pa
Want me to be miserable, but I can never miss a
And
Our last contestant.
bitches on my dick, tell them give me one more.
Hindi tutuloy pagka wala ka. 1, 2.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Maria Desiree Fula Enzon. Hi, guys. I'm 13 years old. Maganda lang.
Plus,
Wala akong kasabihan eh, sorry. Pero dahil na lang natin sa ganda.